When you think about your skill set and you watch NFL wide receivers, particularly the elites of the world, the Julio Jones, the Antonio Browns, the Odell Beckham Jr.'s of the world, the Andre Hopkins, others, when you see these guys perform, what is it about your game that makes you believe that you could be highly successful on the next level?
First off, the conference I played in, and then like my skill set. Nobody has ever done what I did.
You
haven't seen it yet. Like you haven't seen a DK Metcalf in the league yet. So I'm just gonna be me, go in there and just do it.
When I see DK Metcalf, I see the second coming of Megatron, the one and only Calvin Johnson. That's what I see. That's what I see. This brother is a big target. He can catch outside the numbers. He can catch in between the seams. It does not matter. He can go deep. He can be short yardage. He's a monster of a physical specimen. And I'm here to tell you something right now. DK Metcalf has a rock. And I think he is the second.
See something, Khalil?
Oh yeah, Jay. Wow!
Hand up!
It's very violent.
These bitches lost.